This is the second of two tutorials. The last video showed data tables referencing a macroscopic view of plan design change. These tables are to be used for a more specific and personal calculation of members' pensions in proposed design changes. To set up for the calculations, you'll see that there are going to be 6 rows of data. First one, for a member who has all of their service in the current plan, or simply this would be as if no change was selected. Second row would be a member who has all their service in the new plan and nothing in the current plan, 100% new teacher. Third row, you have a person with a handful of service in the current benefit plan and most of the service in the new plan, a 75% new teacher. Fourth row, half and half. Fifth row, a large amount of service in the current plan, a handful in the new plan. The sixth row, most of the service in the current plan and a few years in the new plan. These rows will be shown in the calculations in the following tables. Whereas you get a specific pension estimate from teacher pension plan, these data tables are meant to be giving you a sense of the annual pension. Find the data tables. The new ones are very large and have many more years to use for calculations, as well as a 6th row. In the example chosen, option C has an accrual rate of 1.85% and a reduction of 4% from age 61. The member who has an HAS of 80,000 and retiring at age 60 will have 4% reduction built into all of these numbers here. To calculate the current benefit, look at the red stars. You would take 1,600 as the column from the total pre-65 multiplied by 26 years to give an annual pension of 41,600 from 60 to 65. Then you would take in the red dot 1225 multiplied by 26 years to give 31,850 as an annual pension from 65 till death. The revised benefit at 10% row may be calculated in a similar fashion. In the red star, 1582 multiplied by 26 years to give an annual pension of 41,132 from 60 to 65. In the red dot, 1244 may be multiplied by 26 years to give 32,344 as an annual pension from 65 till death. In comparison, you'll find the revised benefit at 10%, that is a partial 10% in the new plan. There is a reduction for the first 5 years of $468. Then at 65 till death, they will find an increase of $494 per year. It would be possible to calculate the revised benefit for a member at 100%. It is also possible to compare the previous calculations to another option. In option E, the accrual rate is 2% with a 5% reduction from age 62. Therefore, the member who has an HAS of 80,000 will have all of the numbers in this column subjected to a 10% reduction for age 60. As before the calculations for the current benefit, we multiply this column by 26 years and this column by 26 years. For the revised benefit, the same pattern. You have this column pre-65 multiplied by 26 years and the lifetime portion multiplied by 26 years. You'll find that some options will give better results for that particular member, for that particular HAS and age of retirement.